Hello everyone. I'm 지영 ajumma. We'll make tofu salad today. Sesame is mainly used for dressing. Sesame and sesame salt are really important in Korean dishes. Koreans love sesame oil too. Maybe a person who loves the sesame in the world will be a Korean. So, I prepare sesame dressing to let you know the Korean style of eating tofu salad. Tofu and sesame. That's the best way for a nutty taste. Now, this 지영 ajumma will let you know the recipe. When tofu meets sesame. Look forward to it. Today's dish will be really fantastic. Let's have a look at what we need. Tofu, lettuce, romaine, red curry, cherry tomato, and those are for the sauce, 1 pair. Sesame, olive syrup, olive oil, vinegar, soy sauce, salt, sugar, lemon juice. First, the main ingredient today is tofu. Let's remove the moisture so it's easy to roast or fry. Use the kitchen towel. Press a little bit to take out the moisture quickly. It will take about 30 minutes to drain your tofu. Let's make sauce while waiting for draining tofu. The main ingredient for sauce is sesame. We'll grind 1/2 cup of sesame. I usually use a mortar and a bat. You can use blender too. This evenly ground sesame is called 깨소금 in Korean. Another main ingredient for sauce is Korean pear. We'll make a pear juice. 1 pear gives 1 cup of pear juice. If you can simply buy pear juice, that's okay too. Anyway, today we need 3 tablespoons of pear juice. Sesame and pear juice are ready. Now, I'll let you know the recipe for other ingredients. 1 tablespoon olive syrup, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 4 teaspoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 pinches of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix them all. Now, let's prepare the vegetable. Chop them in a size for a bite. Today, we'll use lettuce, romaine, and red chicory. It's okay to use other vegetables for salad. Chop the drained tofu for 1 bite. Now, we'll make the tofu crispy outside, but keep creamy and moist inside. First, apply flour evenly on the surface of tofu. Let's fry it. Put oil on the pan. When the temperature gets higher, put tofu. We have to wait for it to turn yellow without making burn. So, adjusting heat is really important. Keep the heat medium and adjust while frying. Now, we're in the last step. Mix tofu and the sauce we've prepared. The theme of the dish is the meeting of tofu and sesame. Mix other ingredients too, so the sesame can harmonize with the other ingredients. The nutty taste will also evenly spread. Some will wonder why I'm putting a bit of soy sauce without using only salt. The nutty taste of sesame becomes greater with soy sauce. Have a taste of it, you will know it. Put this nicely on a plate. Put the remaining sauce once more. The amount of sugar added depends on the pear sweetness. If the pear is not that sweet, you might want to put 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now, tofu finally met sesame. It's a great combination. The nutty taste is really good. Sesame, what comes to your mind? Nutty? Sesame Street? Ah, there's a new neighbor Jiyoung in Sesame Street. I was so glad to hear it because I have the same name. Also similar look and personality to her. Such fun, right? Of course, I'm older than Jiyoung in Sesame Street. I'm ajumma, meaning middle-aged woman.